Okay, today we're going to talk about an exercise that we use to warm up, and it's called 8 on a hand. And what it essentially is eighth notes or legato strokes, and the stroke is going to be just down and back up. Okay, so we're going to do 8 of these strokes on the right hand, 8 of these strokes on the left hand. We're going to repeat it, and we're going to then play one beat at the end. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready, and you're done. 8 on a hand.